Hello and welcome to the course Optimizing Docker Workflows by Pact Publishing. This video will give an overview about the course. Let us begin with a quick background about our instructor. Alan is the author of books and video courses about Docker by Pact Publishing. He has extensive distributed systems and has worked on supercomputers, startups, and enterprises. Alan is currently working as a site reliability engineer, managing large systems, and applies most DevOps practices from the industry. He can be reached as Alan Espinosa on Twitter and espinosa.io for his blog. This course shows a few best practices when adopting Docker. We will learn setups that can be implemented in our own environments. We'll showcase best practices on preparing and deploying Docker images. We will also show how to use various tools to debug containers running in production. This course is ideal for developers and operations engineers who have started their Docker journey and are looking to optimize their workflows to solve the challenges in scaling and running their applications. The first section will show how to improve the build times of creating Docker images. We will look at setting up proxy repositories in Sonatype Nexus so that we have a local cache to download our dependencies from. The second section will show how to improve our deployments. We will learn how to deploy a load balancer so that we can set up blue-green deployments for our application. This reduces the risks to deploy applications and allows us to roll back when needed. In the last section, we will look at debugging containers using various Linux tools. We will demonstrate how to use tools such as tcpdump, strace, and blocktrace to look at networking, system calls, and I/O behavior of our application. There's a few prerequisites for this course. All demo material are made inside the CentOS 7 environment. The Docker Community Edition version 17.06 and 17.09 were used in the videos.